Warm Water Diaper Sprayer Nomad Traveler Kit by qdSpray is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. Nomading. Not for the novice. Plan on traveling with your sprayer? This is the travel kit of extravagance. Choose your sprayer, and take all your adapters with you. If the qdSpray is compatible with the faucets you encounter, you'll have the adapter ready to fit it. This kit includes 1 qdSpray, 1 aerator wrench, 1 faucet adapter, 1 garden hose adapter, 1 male junior faucet adapter, 1 female junior faucet adapter, 4 cash keys, 1 standard cash adapter, 1 junior cash adapter, 1 tiny junior cash adapter, 1 Tom Thumb cash adapter, 1 super cute carry pouch. The qdSpray does not fit all faucets. See user manual for details. The perfect kit for traveling with cloth diapers. Includes 1 qdSpray of any length and all of the manufacturer's adapters. It's 2 travel kits, and a sprayer combined. This kit makes almost any sink work for you. If the faucet is qdSpray compatible, you'll have the adapter you need at your fingertips. qdSpray, Travel Kit Deluxe, Cash Kit, Cotton Adapter Carry Bag, and Adapter Cheat Sheet included. The qdSpray does not fit all faucet types. See user manual for details. Individual adapters sold separately by manufacturer.